guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Amber and this is Brunch with Burr. So today we're going to be making matcha smoothies. Yummy! And in honor of May 4th, May the 4th be with you. I thought it would be so cute to make Baby Yoda smoothies. I mean, come on, it's going to be really cute. So we're going to make kiwi banana matcha smoothies in honor of May 4th. It's May 6th right now, but that's okay. So first you'll be needing is your matcha, 4 kiwis, spinach, 1 banana, blueberries, plain yogurt, kale, if you don't know what kale looks like. It's the uglier version of spinach. And you'll also need ice. You'll need unsweetened almond milk. Also need sugar. So this meal honestly is only gonna take about 5 minutes because my kind of meal, we want it quick. Quick. All we're gonna do with all the ingredients that I just showed you is we're gonna just pop it up in your blender and just mix it. So first what you're gonna wanna do is put 2 cups of ice into your blender, like so. Next you will need 1 cup of unsweetened almond milk. Next, half a cup of plain yogurt. Remember, it's plain. Like me, I think it tastes like vanilla, so I taste it and I'm like, oh, it's disgusting. But it won't taste disgusting once we mix that up. So let's put it in. Beautiful. Next, 1 cup of spinach. Look. Oh, Tyra. Eyes. Get that. My eyes are green. No, I'm kidding, they're brown. You'll need 1 cup of kale. Ooh, it looks like a salad. I really hope this tastes good. Then you'll need 1 banana sliced. So please do not just peel it like so, and then that's that. Honestly, to speed up this process, let's just, it's so good. Let's just peel it and just kind of like pick it with your fingers instead of getting a cutting board for 1 freaking banana. This is what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna just, pieces, boom, boom, toss. We want the banana for sweetness. Oh. Next, you're gonna need a tablespoon of matcha powder. So it took me forever to find this. It cost me $18 for this powder. But you know what, worth it. So let's open up this bad boy, let's see. It says, good for hot, cold lattes, healthy desserts, and green smoothies, which we're gonna be making. So we just need a tablespoon. Smells like green tea. Matcha green tea. It smells good. I love green tea. Let me get a spoon. So 1 tablespoon of matcha. Okay. Next you'll need is 2 tablespoons of sugar. I got brown sugar, honey, because that's all you need in your life. So it doesn't really matter what sugar. Sugar, sweet. So I'm just gonna, sorry, it's a little crunchy. I haven't bought sugar in forever. I don't know if that means anything. Okay. 1, 2, wait. 2. And 2.5 for good measure. Next, what you're gonna wanna do is you're gonna wanna cut your kiwis. So the best way I cut my kiwis is I just get a little knife and I cut the very top. Probably not how you should cut it. No, Aspen. To cut the other side. Make sure it goes in the sink. There we go. No! Don't eat that! Then, for an easier process, I get a potato cutter, and I just cut the sides to get a clean little cut. Makes it my life easier. Don't eat that! Gosh, my dogs just want to eat everything. Yeah, so you're just gonna cut that. No! Beautiful. Then what you're gonna wanna do, just like the banana, you're gonna just wanna make sure that you cut it into pieces and not just the whole thing. Like so, just big chunks. Green like my eyes. Just kidding. Okay. Toss it in there. So I got this recipe offline. I actually don't know who created it. Someone blogged it. But what I did for my own taste is I added the kiwi. So kiwis are pretty strong, so I'm just gonna put 1 in. I know I said 4, but that's because later on we're gonna use like cute little Yoda ears for later on. Let's try 1 and see how it tastes. If it needs another kiwi kick, then we'll add more. So let's start blending. Okay, it's blended. Okay. Now that your matcha tea smoothie is all blended, you're gonna taste your matcha tea. Ooh! Ooh! This is good! Wow. Okay. Number 1, I love it because it tastes like matcha tea. That's a given. It also has a nice little aftertaste of kiwi, which I like, so I'm really happy that we only put 1 kiwi in because kiwi is very strong. So I know I said 4. My bad if you already bought 4. I'll put it in the description and below. That's good. All right, let's start making our Yoda babies. Okay guys, so what you're gonna do for your baby Yoda ears is you're gonna just cut the top of your kiwi, like so. Ooh, Fruit Ninja. And then you're gonna do, so just cut across, like so. I don't know why, I just am like, so smiley. I guess I just love life. Oh my gosh. Okay. Let's try that again. This time, make sure to catch your piece. Okay, beautiful. Aspen, did you pass gas? Nasty dog. Okay. Then what you're gonna wanna do, once you have your slice, is you're gonna wanna cut it in half. Sorry, it's like I'm struggling because I'm trying to show you guys. I don't have professionals videotaping me. It's all me, baby. Okay. Boom. Then, what you're gonna wanna do is you're gonna cut the brown part, and you're gonna just cut a sliver. Ooh, not too bad. Look, this is, okay, I know I said you only needed 2 kiwis, because I was thinking, oh, 4 might be too much. No, get 4, because you might make a mistake, and you might like do too big of a gash. What you're going to do is then do like a little gash like that, and then you're gonna place it onto your little drink. You're just gonna plop it on there like that, and then it should stay on, and then you can get some blueberries and do the same thing. Go to the bottom and cut the bottom of the blueberry, and then have your eyes, and then you get this little guy. He's so cute and he tastes so good too. Oh, I'm sorry, I'm boring you, Aspen. Oh, so good. Highly recommend if you're throwing a little Star Wars party, or if you just want a fun treat, or if you just want to skip the Star Wars and just make the drink. It's delicious. If you want it, it's, I think on the matcha, it says energy, green tea energy blend. to start your day. So look at, oh my gosh, I'm so proud of you. I wish I made this on March 4th, but that's okay. Creativity just comes when it wants to. Oh. Yummy. Da na 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 da na. You can tell I'm a fraud. Doo doo. Look at this. Baby Yodas. May the force be with you, young one. Luke, you are the chosen one. Don't be a hater. Ah! Luke, why'd you kill all those babies? Ah! Ah! So if you're ever having a little Star Wars party, Brunch with Burr, baby, I'll hook you up with your little mini Yoda smoothies. You can play action figures with it, whatever you want. They're so adorable. Look at that. Alright guys, well I'm signing off, but thank you for joining me with Baby Yoda Smoothies! I really wish I knew quotes to Star Wars. It's phenomenal films, by far, great productions, great storyline, I love it. I just don't watch it a billion times, but I would if I could. But it doesn't matter. What I know is young one, and oh my gosh, Star Wars fans are gonna hate me. That's okay guys, look at what I made you. Gift from Brunch with Burr. Okay, I'm gonna shut up now. Alright, like and subscribe and hit that button if you want more tips and tricks and fun creative little drinks. Bye!